What if you could get a spacious, family-ready RV that sleeps up to 10 people, has residential-style comfort, and still stays towable with many half-ton trucks? Today we're taking a look at the 2026 Grand Design Transcend, a travel trailer designed to make road trips feel like home, without the luxury-level price tag. Welcome back to Next Gen Motorhomes. If you love RV tours, motorhome reviews, and travel trailer walkthroughs that help you choose the perfect RV for your adventures, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Now imagine this. It's early morning at a quiet campground. The sun is just rising over the mountains. Your coffee is brewing inside the RV. The kids are still asleep in their bunks, and the only sound outside is the wind moving through the trees. That's exactly the kind of experience the 2026 Grand Design Transcend was designed for. The Transcend lineup has always been known for delivering durability, comfort, and smart, family-focused floor plans. And for 2026, Grand Design continues that tradition with a travel trailer that balances affordability with impressive features. The first thing you notice when you walk up to the 2026 Transcend is its rugged exterior design. It looks clean, modern, and built for adventure. The aluminum wheels and strong tough-coat metal siding immediately give it a tough, durable appearance that can handle years of travel. Setup at the campsite is incredibly simple thanks to the power tongue jack and the large power awning with LED lighting. Within minutes, you can create a shaded outdoor living area perfect for relaxing after a long day of driving. And speaking of outdoor living, one of the coolest features on many Transcend floor plans is the exterior camp kitchen. Imagine grilling burgers outside while still having a mini fridge right there for drinks. It's perfect for tailgating, campground dinners, or just enjoying the outdoors without constantly running inside the trailer. Storage is another area where this travel trailer really shines. With large pass-through storage compartments, you have plenty of room for camping gear, chairs, tools, and everything else you want to bring on the road. But the real magic happens when you step inside. The interior of the 2026 Transcend feels surprisingly residential. With about 6 feet 6 inches of interior height, the space feels open and comfortable rather than cramped like many entry-level trailers. Grand Design also uses residential countertops, solid cabinet construction, and full extension drawer glides, giving the interior a higher quality feel than you might expect at this price point. The living area is designed for relaxation after a long travel day. Depending on the floor plan, you may find theater seating or a booth dinette positioned perfectly across from the entertainment center and TV. This becomes the perfect place for movie nights or planning the next day's adventure. The kitchen is another highlight. Instead of feeling like a tiny RV kitchen, it's actually designed for real cooking. You get a 3-burner stove, a large stainless steel sink, and plenty of cabinet space for cookware and groceries. Many models also include a 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, which is large enough to store food for extended camping trips without constant grocery runs. And here's something families will love. Several Transcend floor plans include a dedicated bunkhouse in the rear of the trailer. These double-sized bunks provide comfortable sleeping space for kids or guests, and the layout often includes extra storage so everyone has a place for their gear. This means the Transcend can comfortably sleep around 8 people in many floor plans, and even more in the larger models. Meanwhile, parents get their own private retreat in the master bedroom at the front of the trailer. Here you'll find a comfortable residential-sized queen bed measuring about 60 by 80 inches, along with overhead cabinets and wardrobes for clothing storage. It's a simple but well-designed space that gives you privacy at the end of the day. Next to the bedroom, the bathroom is designed with practicality in mind. Most floor plans include a roomy shower with a skylight, a vanity with storage, and enough space to get ready comfortably without feeling cramped. But what really sets the 2026 Transcend apart from many travel trailers in this price range is its construction quality. Grand Design uses what they call quad seal technology, which helps protect the RV from moisture and water intrusion, one of the biggest concerns for RV owners. The trailer also includes strong insulation ratings with R40 insulation in the roof and R11 in the floor, helping maintain comfortable temperatures in both hot and cold environments. And the heated and enclosed underbelly helps extend your camping season into colder months. In other words, this isn't just a summer camper. It's designed to handle a wide range of camping conditions. Another thing many RV buyers care about is towing. Depending on the specific floor plan, the 2026 Transcend typically weighs somewhere around 6,000 to 7,500 pounds dry, making it towable for many properly equipped half-ton trucks. That means you don't necessarily need a massive heavy-duty truck to start your RV adventures. And because the Transcend lineup includes multiple floor plans, from bunkhouse family campers to couples-focused layouts, you can choose the configuration that fits your travel style. But here's the big question everyone asks. How much does it cost? And this is where the 2026 Grand Design Transcend really surprises people. Depending on the floor plan and options, most models typically fall somewhere between roughly $32,000 and $45,000 in the current RV market. For a travel trailer with this much space, this level of build quality, and the reputation of Grand Design, that price makes the Transcend one of the most appealing family RVs in its class. You're getting a comfortable interior, smart family layouts, strong construction, and plenty of camping features, without stepping into luxury RV pricing. So who is this trailer really for? The 2026 Transcend is perfect for families who want their first serious RV, couples who want extra space for long trips, or anyone looking for a durable travel trailer that can handle years of adventures. It's not the most luxurious trailer on the market, but that's not its goal. Instead, it focuses on what actually matters: comfort, durability, smart design, and real-world usability. And honestly, that's exactly why the Transcend lineup has become one of Grand Design's most popular travel trailers. Because at the end of the day, an RV isn't just about features. It's about the experiences you create inside it. It's about waking up next to a lake in the morning, exploring new national parks, or spending evenings around the campfire with family and friends. And the 2026 Grand Design Transcend is built to make those moments possible. If you enjoyed this RV tour and want to see more motorhome reviews and travel trailer walkthroughs like this one, make sure you subscribe to Next Gen Motorhomes and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. And now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the 2026 Grand Design Transcend for your next RV adventure? Or is there another travel trailer you'd like us to review next? Let me know in the comments below.